example, yung basic na papanagutin na yung mga mayor. But during the course of our meeting in Metro Manila Council, I suggested that kung papanagutin na rin naman yung alkalde, no, na sana yung police na may AOR, nung particular na may obstruction, should be penalized also, and the barangay chairman within that community where there is obstruction should be held liable. And as you heard kanina, we are very grateful to Secretary Anyo that isinama ito sa mga papanagutin o dala ng kapabayaan. Kasi nakakaawa din naman yung ibang mayor, lalo na ito yung mga mayor ang lalaki ng geographical jurisdiction. Siyempre, ano yan, kung makikipagtulungan ng barangay, nakatalikod ng mayor o hindi, magiging successful yung kampanya laban sa obstruction.
So you want this to be a law, sir, to be
Well, there
institutionalized?
is already a law.